Hello, I hope you're all having a good day. In today's video, I've got this polystyrene egg that I got off Amazon. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate it and make an Easter ornament. And so what I'm going to do first is put a cover of gesso, and I'm going to cover the egg completely. Once dried, I'm now going to lay down a layer of Mod Podge and then place the napkin on top. And I'm going to pull it down gently, try to avoid crinkles, but I'm sure that I'm going to have loads of crinkles in there, and I can see them. Yes, they're there. And I'm just smoothing the napkin out, and I'll go around the egg and do the same thing all the way around. Once I've covered the egg, I will leave that to dry. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to use some white acrylic paint and just blend the napkin in with the egg. And I'm going to go all the way around the egg on the top and the bottom just to blend it. I'm using some air dry clay, using this mould, and I'm just going to place the pieces of air dry clay using Mod Podge again onto the egg. And I've got 4 pieces, so I'll place them onto the egg where I want it and allow it to dry. Once dry, I'm gonna put down a layer of glaze, and I'm gonna use a brush to brush that on, and I'm gonna cover the whole egg in the glaze. Making sure I've got good coverage. Once dry, I'm going to go in with a crackle medium, and I'm using Pentart crackle medium that comes in 2 components. So at first I'm going to put component 1 down, and I'm giving it a good coating. I'm going to go all the way round, leave that to dry, then go in with component 2. And I'll leave that to dry fully. I've got a butterfly mould, and I've taken some butterflies using air dry clay again. And I'm using my hot glue gun to place the butterflies onto the egg. Once the glue has dried, I'm going to go in with some acrylic antique brass paint, and I'm going to use my fingers and just brush that all over the egg and the clay that we'd put down, and hopefully that will show up the crackles. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon. You all take care now. Bye.